back guys to another video. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make this outro for your YouTube channel or anything else. So it's pretty easy and doesn't need like too many skills in Photoshop. Only like this many layers. So to get started, obviously it's without this black background because we're gonna have like a motion and at the back, like moving gameplay or anything else. And in this square we're gonna have like a video, previous video is what I have. So to get started, press Ctrl N or Command N and make a size, whichever like dimensions you record your videos in. I record mine in 1280 by 720, so I'm gonna make that Photoshop tutorial. Oh my god. Make it transparent and 300. Resolution is 300. Command Control 0 and it makes it like to size. So to get started, press Shift Backspace and for foreground color, press color picker 0, like black. Rename that to background. Make a new layer, and you can either make a new layer and then do it, or press T, type in something. I'll type in TechMeUp. Make that bigger. Control T, and like that's the transform tool. You can center it using the smart lines, and then I can put the stroke. So if I move that there, stroke, for this one I'll choose red color theme. 4 pixels, too much. 3, you got 3 pixels. So next up you can like add social media icons. In my on my desktop I have this, like Instagram, Twitter, which is what I have. Put this there, make it smaller. First off, let me just rename it Instagram logo. Double click and add a stroke to that so you can see it. Center that with the text and then put it to the side. And then I'll put the Twitter bird. Just like get it as good as you can. It doesn't have to be perfect because no one's gonna like judge you how your intro looks. Twitter logo. Double click and put pattern overlay, color overlay, and then I'll make that I'll make it white. No, I'll make it, let's just make it red so we don't have to stroke that. And then next up you have to like use the text tool and then put forward dash and then type your Twitter name. Mine is TechMeUp underscore YT. I think there's a thing where you can like copy, I think it's this, copy SVG, paste SVG maybe. Okay, it's not there. Yeah. Okay, I'll add the stroke for this again. Let me just reduce the strokes thickness. 1. And then I'll hold Alt and drag it up to duplicate, and then Control T. But this time instead of having a forward dash at the end, put a backward dash at the front, so it looks like that. Use Control T and the arrow keys to move it, and then for the rectangle, click once and then make it the size of your video, so 1280 by 720, and then it'll make it this giant big box. Press enter and like resize it to your video as big as you want. So I'll keep it just above the middle. Sorry. Fill, no fill, and stroke to red. I don't know if you guys can hear the birds in the background. Five pixels, and so that's it. So rest of the stuff you can add, like don't forget to like and subscribe. Exclamation mark, enter, double click that, stroke it, and move it up. You can change these settings as much as you want. Video rectangle. I'll just leave it as that. And previous video, no, previous video. Select it all, center it, and then move that to there. If you right click the rectangle, custom shape tool, and then select the this arrow. It's not the same arrow I used in my other one. This one looks pretty bad. Why is it moving? Okay, I'll just use this. Make that stroked. For the rectangle, you might want to put like a outer glow as the color red or something. Make that as big as you want. Put let's see what I've put on the other one. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Stroke that as well. Maybe I should do this. Put like brackets around my name. That'd look pretty good, I think. Okay, drag that again up there. Bring it to here. Flip vertical. Stroke that. Stroke that as well. And this is basically it. So oh yeah, to put these stripes, these blue stripes, just bring it into the document. Oh, these are, let me try and find some red stripes background. You can use this. Wait, I think that's a watermark. This might be, the dimensions might be too small. I'll just use it. Okay. Bring that to the top, and then hold Control and press the text. Let me just increase this size. Control, and then press this layer mask thing, it'll put it inside the into the text, and then you can repeat this for every text. I'll do it for true, cause oops. Make sure you have always have this one selected, like the stripes, or it won't work. And then press the layer mask and change the opacity to like 50 or whatever you guys want, and then export that as a PNG. Outro. So that's done exporting, and I'll be right back inside of Premiere Pro or whatever you guys use, like Vegas or anything else. And yeah, be right back. Okay guys, so I'm in Premiere Pro right now. So I'll just go to my desktop and bring in the outro. So if I bring that right here, and I'll just make it to 10 seconds, cause that's how long most intros are. Bring it to 10. And if you, oh no, I forgot to remove the background. Oh, I already deleted the Photoshop. Okay, I'll just use this for today. So in the middle, in the middle, you guys want to put your previous video. So what I usually do is go to YouTube. I was gonna put a background in the back, but I can't do that anymore. And then I'll go to my channel, YouTube Studio, and it'll like open your videos, press on videos, and it'll bring up all your videos. I usually press download like on my latest video, and then it'll start downloading right here. It's like started. So now we'll just wait. Okay, it's done. Go to my downloads, and then put this there, unlink all the audio. If you're in Premiere Pro, select the video, go to Effect Controls, select the video, and then press on Scale, and then you can scale it down. Oh, you can't see it right now. Why isn't it like showing? Maybe that's why. Put that back to 100, and then I'll just like cut the video from here. Delete this portion. And then cut it from the back. So if I make that smaller right now, where's the okay, this is all going wrong. Let me cut it from right here, so I actually have something. Now you can scale it down. I can scale it down because mine wasn't like fitting inside the frame. Double click on this and then put it into your box. It won't be like perfect because there might be some problems. And then we can get some music, YouTube stuff, music, Chris intro song. cut it from there, delete this part, put it there. And so if you play it from the start, just turn the music down, and that's basically it. If you guys want, you can remove the background, like how I forgot to remove the black background. You can take that off, put it in, and then you can put like a video under this, under the outro PNG. Put it under so you can see it as a background. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.